Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, it's quick news. It's a nice little sum up of some of the automotive news from the last few days. So let's just get started. We'll start with Ford first, and basically Ford owners that have the hybrid system and the power generator in the back are going out and helping people in need, which is an awesome thing. A lot of things are affecting America right now with some cold fronts and heavy snow that are hitting places that don't normally get snow. Texas was really affected, so those F-150 owners are out there helping people in need. Awesome thing. And even Ford is telling the dealerships in Texas, loan those F-150s out. Help more people, which is good publicity for Ford. But there is some bad news. The Ford Bronco Sport is selling like hotcakes for them, but unfortunately there's a problem. There's actually a recall. The rear suspension is loose in some spots, which is not a good thing. It affects 1,666 units. I know a weird number, right? But they need to go to the dealerships. They need to get fixed before some major problems could happen. After that, let's go to the Buell motorcycle company. If you don't know, that company was actually based here in Michigan, which is an awesome thing. But they were around in the 80s. They did some deals with Harley-Davidson, and they went away for a while. But now they're back, and they said by 2024, they want to have 10 new models. Basically, the pictures I'm showing you are a rendering of a high-performance model that will have 185 horsepower and about 102 pound-feet of torque. Great numbers. That's the sports model. There'll be an all-terrain model as well as a street model coming soon. I'm very excited. Now, after that, let's talk about Tesla. The Model 3 and the Model Y, their best-selling models. Well, they're getting a price cut for the base trim, making them a little bit more affordable. But like Tesla normally does, it's a double-edged sword. So those go down, but the high-performance variants, they go up. So you win some, you lose some. After that, well, let's talk about Toyota. They're selling their TRD lift kit from the factory. So you can buy it yourself and install it, take it to a dealership and have them install it for you, or a friendly mechanic. It's a cool look to get that. It only works on 4x4 V6 models. I think they said 2020 models and up will be able to use this kit. It's a cool thing. Something like that's always nice from a company to do that. Well, that's all the news I have for you guys. I thank you once again for watching, and check out my channel. I just keep trying to give you guys more and more content. I talk about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUV. Combustion engines and EVs, a little bit of everything. But if you guys want to support me in a more personal way, well, I have a Patreon now. A couple different tiers give you guys a few different options, and it really helps me out and helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate it. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.